Hello, from Vietnam. 2 weeks have passed and I still not rode. And God willing, over the next day or two, I can get back on the bicycle. Refurbished bike from Julian House Bike Workshop in Bath. And so I just wanted to use this time to mention Julian House. It's a great charity in the southwest of England that's very much helping the vulnerable and homeless. And my bike that the Lord blessed me with is a refurbished touring bike that I paid £300 for from Bath, Julian Bike Workshop. And it's been absolutely tremendous. 3,300 miles through Australia. I didn't have a puncture. And that's one of the main reasons that David picked this bike out from all the bikes that had to be refurbed. And he said, those 2 marathon tyres will get you through. Marathon plus tyres. There's a wealth of knowledge in the Julian House Bike Workshop. And they're in Bath. They have tons of bikes. And I thought this is probably quite important to do this now as we're going towards the summer. And there's bikes for all people. And kids' bikes, adult bikes, lots of accessories. And all the time you're purchasing, you're contributing to helping those people that are homeless and vulnerable in the southwest of England area. It's a great cause, it's a great charity, and believe me, it's very easy to think you understand how homeless people feel. And I spent the last 5 weeks in my tent in Australia, and it was a luxury. It's a luxury because I could get up and use facilities and wash and shower, and I could use the local coffee shop. And if in an extreme case, if it was really, really raining, more than it was, I could have taken a hotel. The people on the streets don't have that luxury. And you do start to perhaps gain a little bit more of an understanding. And I'm not saying I have massive understanding at all. But I did think of the charity and the people many times. And right now you're going into better weather in the UK. So it's a great time to get involved and contribute where you can. Because in another 5 months' time, Julian House Charity is going to be putting on a lot of resources going into the cold months of the autumn and winter. So the links are in the description below, and there's a great video link to the Julian House Bike Workshop and Julian House Charity on YouTube, where they introduce some of the team. And one of the guys in the video, Albert, tremendous guy. He's 80 years old. And he's there every single day helping out and volunteering and encouraging the young guys that come into the shop. Great charity. Have a look at the links below. Take care. God bless you. Bye.